Tire Chop Wednesday. What's up, everybody? Rock and roll, having a big old day. 2 inches of rain this morning already. Life is good. It's nice and cool. I see on Monday we're gonna have a low of 36 Monday night. Holy mackerel! November is gonna come on in. All is good though. That's fun. Maybe y'all saw a post yesterday. I got tagged in doing a little job with my good friend Bubba Crouch. Look, Bubba, I did not comb my hair because I know that you wouldn't have anything to talk about if I combed my hair. So I didn't. I've been sitting at the microscope all day. Bubba is an incredible knife maker and has asked me through the last 3 years. It's Bubba's fault I got to go to the daggum knife shows. And me and Bubba become friends. You can't help but be Bubba's friend. Don't tell him that. He's a good guy. But anyhow, he's conned. He's a con man too. And he got me. Can y'all see that? Ooh, a little bit of glare. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get oh, you can see a little bit better there. Let me turn this light out. Maybe we can see what's going on. Anyhow, I'm doing some pretty elaborate engraving. This is relief engraving with 24 karat gold inlays in the bolster. Got that one done. Working on that one there. As you can see, I started the shading. So away we go. Lots more to do shading wise on this, but having a big old time. And yeah, I'd love to show you all the cool handle and incredible Damascus. You can see a little bit of it right there. But anyhow, it's a really cool knife. A lot of fun. Not something that I normally do. I do not want to grow up to be an engraver, but I do some engraving on my bits and spurs, as you well know. And so occasionally I'll do some of this stuff, fun, special projects. And so away we go. It'll be good for both Bubba and I. We will show the world what's going on here. You know, see what happens. So anyhow, hey, November 2nd. Cowtown Collection at the Brumballs, Fort Worth. We're going to have a big show. Saw the little bit. Saw the pictures yesterday. I'll show you live action here. There it stands. Got 14 karat gold there. And then on the back side of it, you see 14 karat gold inlays. Here, fine silver, starting silver overlays, and then engraved all the steel up there. And away we go. This is another rendition of a Jim Edwards. Jim's deal is the Texas Futurity shank. Not Texas Futurity, it's the Futurity solid shank and the mouthpiece I've done there. So anyhow, all is good. I look forward to seeing y'all. What else? I got one other. Oh, we're going to do an engraving demonstration in Fort Worth, November 11th as well. So y'all come hang out and talk to me there if you're interested in engraving or just want to see what's going on. It's a knife maker deal. Hammer in, as they call them, the blacksmiths call them. So lots of cool stuff there. That'll be November 11th. I think my little part's at 2:15 on Saturday afternoon. So we'll enjoy a little visit, and y'all. We'll have a little question and answer discussion. It's not going to be a demonstration, but a discussion on engraving. So if you got tool sharpening things, design problems, anything pertaining to engraving, I'll be happy to share anything I have with y'all and go from there. Patreon's good. Y'all look up some of my buddies: Ernie Marsh, Kerry Schwartz, Damian Conley. If you want to know about engraving, Damian's fresh on there. Larry Lorraine's on there, Biddensburg guy. So I'm sure he has something as well for all of us to learn from. So Patreon's good. What else I got? Brumballs, engraving demo. I don't know. Life is good. Eli's out there busy, clucking away. We'll see y'all next week. Adios.